It's fine. I'm sorry. If I was you, I would just like freak out and get really drunk and then tell someone I was pregnant. Hey, that's a lot of good ideas.
I cuccioli di patata non sanno ancora come comportarsi con i loro cugini. I piatti nuovi e intelligenza. Con la cittadina non sempre.
Tanto verrà eliminata la tua voce. C'è scritto di passare la sicurezza. The emotions of the race.
In the mid, we've always used fibre in the middle. The bit in the end is still Go on, take your photos.
Get ready with me.
안녕하세요. 저 지금 아탈입니다. 너무 오랜만이라서 발음이 조금 이상해도 이해해주세요. 미안해요, 진짜. 오늘 콘서트 today. It's almost 6 o'clock. Oh, I got told that I have to get there at like 6 o'clock, so I will. Oh, don't worry. I'll probably head there at 6 o'clock.
We've already embarked on our third world tour, Walk the Line. While our first world tour manifesto was about showing 엔하이픈's identity, the next Fate tour was about letting Engine know you are the reason we exist. Our Walk the Line tour tells a story of looking back on our past and spending not only the present but also the future with Engine, who made us who we are today.
First time coming to Manchester, right?
진짜 되게 기대하고 있던 도시 중 하나였어요.
You know, for real, this is the cities that we've been anticipating for so long.
What's famous in Manchester? Stadium? Fan? Oh, like fan? Yeah, fan. Okay. State? Oxford? There's a Oxford. I stayed. You know, we actually went to have fish and chips yesterday. It was like shopping center. There was a lot of that. Yeah. We did some shopping as well, but 오신 분들 좀 만났는데 되게 놀라더라고요.
You know, whilst we are eating outside, we encountered some of
Crazy energy having like the city. That was my image. Are you guys? You guys are like that? I don't think so. Hey, Manchester. It's actually a best time here. I think you guys can do it.
Did you guys have fun tonight? 근데 오늘 되게 다양한 나라에서 오신 것 같아요.
You know, today seems like there are a lot of people from different countries.
런던 공연 보신 분?
Is there anybody came from London show as well?
차 타고 왔어요?
Did you drive?
뭐 타고 왔어요?
What transportations did you guys use?
plane. 기차 타고 트레인. 정말 제가 신기했던 게 다들 한국어인데 따라 부르시더라고요.
You know, I was very surprised and very felt wow about it. Is that in Korea there are people coming through.
형이 한 번만 더 해줘.
I'm just very surprised that all of you guys are singing in Korean.
네. 음악의 힘이 대단하구나를 한 번 더 오늘 느꼈습니다.
So that's the reason why I realized once again the power of music.
되게 오랫동안 돌고 있잖아요. 한 달 좀 안 되게 돌고 있는 것 같은데 해외에서.
You know, we are currently on tour on the road right now. It's almost been about a month since we've been out on the road.
이제 방에서 혼자 있으면서 그 생각을 되게 많이 하면서
Whenever I'm in my room and then getting to my deep thoughts,
그 좌우명이 하나 더 생겼어.
I have some words that I came across on my mind.
좌우명이 영어로 뭐죠?
A motto.
모토가 생겼어. 약간 원래는 하면 된다 이런 거였거든요.
My original motto was just do it.
예. 근데 뭔가 이렇게 많이 와주시는 분들한테 약간 너무 감사하기도 해서 내일 죽어도 후회 없는 하루를 살자 약간 이런 생각을 하게 됐어요. 그래갖고 그게 이제 두 번째 좌우명입니다. 모토입니다.
And because I see you guys coming up to the show and then cheering and receiving all these grateful energies, I am going to live the day the fullest became my second motto.
지금 그냥 정말 열심히 하는 모습 보여드리겠습니다. 잘할게요. 앞으로도.
We're gonna make sure to show you guys our very best on the everything that we do, and we're gonna put our heart on. So look out for us.
네. All of Engine, thank you for coming today. I love you guys so much.